Okay, this is a quick video about how the things went terribly wrong on a Bmw F01, F02, F10 and others, F07. So you see this comfort access handle, which is pretty convenient that everything works, but they have a problem. They short circuit themselves, and when it happens, it shorts out the fuse F2 located in the glove box right there. Okay, and what happened in this car is that usually it just blows the fuse, and the problem is that the fuse is connected to lots of other things, like for DSC module over there. So we get DSC module lights, steering, active steering, and lots of other things connect to F2, which is only 5 amps. So somebody, to sell the car, they installed 30 amp fuse. They installed 30 amp fuse, and looks like it was okay for some time because the handle was not short-circuited pretty bad, and then it got really bad. And one day, maybe like 2 weeks after they bought the car, it started, the handle started actually melting. And well, the handle is destroyed. That's okay. We replaced the handle, right? No. This F2 wire, you see this? We cut it. This F2 wire goes through the whole thing over there to the junction box. And what happens is, it melted the harness. So currently, what happened is, because the Ohm's law, you know, the current is pretty much the same everywhere in the whole length of the wire. So the wire, I could have, well, I just opened up the harness and everything. So the wire was so bad, and you can see it melted it, see? So over here, it didn't touch it, important wires, but over there, it touched the CAN wires. So now the car goes crazy. The CAN 1 is not working, and it's shorted to the 12 volts, and it's really bad. And it's like I said, it's pretty stupid design that they connected such important modules like DSC, for example, to the comfort access handle, which is not supposed to be that important. But anyway, I'm just saying, like, when you see this problem, what I'm recommending you to do is, when you get the F2 blowing up on you, simply what you're supposed to do is very simple. Of course, you can just cut the wire, you know, remove it over here and cut the wire, which is not the best idea, because what if you want it to work? So simply remove this handle. You see this one? When you remove it, you will basically, I'm not sure if you can see it. You see that screw, T20, I think. So you just unscrew it, and you should be able to get the handle out and just simply disconnect it. And that's it. The short is removed and you'll be fine. Otherwise, we are looking right here, replacing the whole harness, and you know how much labor it is. It's really crazy. Your car can easily catch on fire for that, easily. So I'm just saying, be careful. These comfort access handles are really problematic and troublesome. All right, be careful. Thank you.